Hello everybody, my name is Daniel Pena. I'm a current student at CSUMB working with Monterey County Free Libraries as a service learner. For this video, I'm going to be showing you how to prepare and bake chocolate peanut butter brownies, which are absolutely delicious, easy to make as they don't require too many ingredients, and completely vegan friendly for those that can't have dairy products. So let's get right into it.
Okay, so for this recipe, we're going to be needing some cacao powder, some vanilla extract, baking powder, some coconut sugar, a bit of peanut butter, some almond milk, and some oat flour. But if you don't have oat flour, you could always make your own by blending up some old-fashioned oats. We're going to start by mixing all the dry ingredients into a bowl first, so let's grab 2 cups of oat flour and put it into a large mixing bowl. Follow this up with 1.5 cups of coconut sugar, then take half a cup of cacao powder and mix it into the bowl. Finally, you're going to want to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Once you have all your dry ingredients in a bowl, grab a whisk or some other tool to mix all the ingredients together well. Once you have all your dry ingredients mixed together well, it's time to start adding the wet ingredients. Start by measuring out 1.5 cups of almond milk and then dump that into your mixing bowl. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Finally, add 1 cup of peanut butter into the mixing bowl, which can be a bit tricky to get it all in. Now that you have all your ingredients in the mixing bowl, it's time to start stirring until you get a nice, thick, yet creamy consistency. Now that we have our brownie batter ready, it's time to start placing it in an oven-safe pan with a baking sheet on top. Make sure to evenly distribute the brownie batter when pouring inside the pan. And try to scrape as much of the brownie batter out of the mixing bowl as you possibly can. For this recipe, we're going to be baking our brownies on 350 degrees Fahrenheit, so make sure to preheat your oven to this temperature before or after mixing your ingredients together. Something that is completely optional to this recipe is grabbing a bit of peanut butter and drizzling it on top of your batter. This can be done for an extra peanut buttery taste or purely for aesthetic. So feel free to drizzle your peanut butter in however way you like. Once your brownie batter is fully ready and the oven has finished preheating, it's time to place it on a center rack and wait 40 to 45 minutes for it to bake. While you're waiting for your brownies to bake, you could always go pester your cat, but just remember to go wash your hands afterwards. Once 40 to 45 minutes have passed, it's time to take the brownies out of the oven to see if they cooked properly. From there, let another 10 minutes pass by to let your brownies cool, and there you have it, vegan chocolate peanut butter brownies.